Hey RM, July summer, I'm replacing my Ghostbusters 2. This is the one I had for a long time. I never see the wide version. I don't like the way it's been printed out in its original. So it's like it's on all around like that. And I found this one today, July. Perfect. Original thick casing, because now everything is slim. So these two are authentic, perfect together. I might buy the slim pack at some point. I've seen it only once. I wasn't really paying attention then. Never seen it since. I'm really happy I added it. So now I got both of them. Once in a while I will replace my movies if I can. So I don't want to be stuck with the crappy quality. So the disc is the same, I think. Not much difference on the disc, but bad print job on that one. There is a little difference on the disc. There's no white edge. There's a difference. This one has the ring around it. Only much difference to it. Show you a close up. What I'm replacing with is this one, the new one, and the one I had for a long time. Finally found the white case, which I already had. You always see the slim cases now, but you don't see the slipcover. Or you have to buy it off eBay if you want the slipcover. But I'm really happy I have both of these. Very cool. Very hard to find. I'm really happy I have it. So I'm paying quite a high value, like 40 bucks in each probably. It's really tough to find these fat cases now for Ghostbusters, for DVD anyway. So I don't think I'm going to throw this one out. I'm just going to keep it on the side, even that's off printed. See how this one's printed? So big difference there. The original DVD, and this one crap. So finally got it complete. Thanks for watching.